welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Thanks so much for joining me today. We are going to be unboxing the June 2019 Sew Sampler. If you are unfamiliar with the Sew Sampler, it is a monthly sewing and quilting subscription box. It always has fun patterns and fabric and notions. I will put information in the description box below, a link for where you can get the Sew Sampler if you're more interested. It's $24.95 a month. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside. All right, so this month's theme is called Be Our Guest, and on the back side of here there are a few different coupons and promo codes that you can use to get charm packs, a pillow insert, and some books. So that is always fun. And again, this is the June 2019 box. The first thing in your box will always be one of these. It's the little card that has information on all the goodies inside. So I'm going to keep this close by so that I can refer to it as I'm showing you the products. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out here are these Dritz needle storage tubes, and it says Dritz number 812, and they're color coded with labels. The storage tube set contains magnets that lift and fan out your needles for easy access. So no matter where you go, the tube container is easy to take along and keeps your needles protected. This is retailing for $6.98. And then the lid just kind of pops off here, and there's this little magnet inside that keeps your needles. So when you dump it upside down, the needles will pop out, but they won't fall out, and then you can just grab one. So that's kind of handy. I'll have to try this out and see how well it works. And then again, it came with 3 different tubes and then 3 different sets of these various labels. All right, the next thing in here are these sewing machine cleaning brushes, and these actually look like they have little kind of fuzzy tips on the end, so you can get them in to your machine nice and tight in all those little nooks and crannies to clean out all the fuzz and lint. These guys are retailing for $4.48, and again, they're by Quilt in a Day, and they say long, thin, and flexible. These disposable brushes bend to pull lint out that collects under feed dogs, around bobbins, and in thread paths. And I'm actually really loving these. I haven't seen these before. I do have a little brush that came with my machine, and so I use that, but it's like a hard plastic brush, and it's only about this long, and so I can only get so far with it. I like that these are flexible, and so I'm really excited to try these out. If you guys have tried these or seen these before, leave a comment below and let me know how well they work so other people can see as well. I've never even seen these before, so I'm really excited to try these out. Okay, the next thing in our box is this felted wool pressing mat, and this is by the Gypsy Quilter, and this is exclusively made for Fat Quarter Shop. It's a firm pressing surface that absorbs heat as you press, so your patchwork is heated on both sides, which helps you get flatter seams, which is really cool. The wool also lightly grips your fabric for added stability and reduces the risk of distorting your pieces. This one is 5.5 by 9 size, and perfect for smaller quilt box. The value of this one is $12.48. I haven't tried one of these before. I did get like a really small one in one of my other boxes, and just the size alone made it kind of unusable for me. I mean, I don't know. This one is definitely a little bit better. I would like to see a larger one of these. Obviously, they probably couldn't fit it in the size of the Sew Sampler box, but I think it's cool that they let you try these guys out, and then if you really enjoy it, you could perhaps purchase a larger one. But I am excited to try this. I haven't done it before. It's definitely flexible. It's like a wool pad. I haven't tried this before, so far that's 2 new products for me. Actually 3, because I don't have, I think those little pin holders with the magnets are new. So yeah, 3 new products so far out of the products I pulled out, so that's always really cool. I like Sew Sampler because they're always giving me fun new things to try, and so yeah, this is no exception. I'm excited to check this out. Okay, the next thing in our box are the Sunday Best Pillows patterns, and again, this is exclusive for Sew Sampler box, and this pattern is by Sherry McConnell and Corey Yoder. I'm sure you guys have all seen work from both of those ladies before. They are fabulous. They have beautiful fabric lines and really fun patterns as well. And it looks like they teamed up to give you 2 different patterns in this. The value of this pattern is $9.98, and it goes with the Walkabout fabric and the Strawberry Jam fabric. This, by the way, is a really nice, thick, and colorful pattern. It feels like it's really nice, good quality. Okay, so this one right here is 23¼ by 19 inches, and the other one, this star one, looks like it's about 22 by 22, just to give you an idea of the size. So those are super cute, and I'm definitely looking forward to trying both of those patterns. Again, as always, Fat Quarter Shop is great about picking patterns that are relatively easy, great for beginners, so if you're a new sewer, I don't see why there's any reason why you couldn't put this together. It looks really nice and easy for both of the pillow patterns. All right, the next thing in our box is the Goodness Grows, and this is a quilt along. So every month you get a different pattern. And so this is the third pattern, I believe, that we've gotten so far. It values at $4.98, and this is for the Goodness Grows quilt along. And so each month you get a different quilt block pattern, and then at the end you can put them all together and have a sampler quilt. And let me see if I can grab the other two. And if you're just joining me, I grabbed the other 2 months that we've gotten so far, just so you can kind of see where this quilt is headed. So looks like it's going to be a really fun kind of garden-y type quilt. They send out one every month, and then at the end you'll have 12 different patterns, 12 different blocks, and then you can put them all together for a fun sampler quilt. So these are really cute, and I'm really excited about this one. This looks like it's going to be a fun one. Okay, on to the good stuff. So we have got 2 charm packs in this one. We've got the Walkabout and the Strawberry Jam, and again, this is by Sherry and this is by Corey, and so they have teamed up and their fabric lines go together. I will show you both of them. The total value for these charm packs is $19.96. I'm sorry, I know I'm going to be skipping some of the fabrics in here. It's just difficult to do these, guys. But there's some nice tans and greens. What's this one? Is that orange? Some low volume, it looks like. A nice red. Some polka dots. It's kind of an orangey peach, I guess, corally color. And so there's the Walkabout collection. Okay, and then here's the Strawberry Jam collection. So a nice little low volume print there. Looks like they've got a nice gray, little aqua. Some florals. There's a nice kind of peach color with strawberries. You see some greens coming up. This one is really pretty and springy. I think those are flowers or cherries? Flowers. It's hard for me to see backwards in the camera sometimes. That's a really pretty floral print, probably one of my favorites. Here's some more strawberries. A few low volumes. This is a nice, kind of like a tangerine color a little bit. It's showing up a little bit more yellow on my camera than it is in real life. And then back to our front fabric, which is this fun floral. So you get both of these and you get this fun pattern in here as well. So you can make 2 different pillows, 2 different fabric lines. I think this is really fun. It's beautiful, springy, kind of summery colors. So I'm really excited to see these. I think they're gonna be really fun to sew up. And like I mentioned, this pattern is super easy and definitely beginner friendly. All right guys, so that's everything that came in the June 2019 Sew Sampler box. My favorite, I think, is of course the fabric and the pattern, super cute. I added up the contents of the box and it comes to a value of $58.86. You of course pay $24.95, so I think that's a pretty good value for your money. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I love doing these unboxings for you. That way I can show you what comes in these boxes before you decide to invest in them yourselves. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. That way I know to keep making them for you. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time.